What's the meaning of auricle? Auricle. Auricle.
Auricle. Auricle. An auricle is a part of the external ear that is made of cartilage and protrudes from the side of the head. It is responsible for collecting sound waves and directing them into the ear canal. The auricle also helps to localize the direction of sound sources and plays a role in maintaining balance. In some mammals, including cats and dogs, the auricle can be moved independently to help locate the source of sounds. Overall, the auricle plays an important role in the process of hearing and aids in the localization of sound.